everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a quick unboxing for you today. I just got this in the mail, well, not in the mail, the delivery person just dropped it off. It is from Hermès. It popped up on the website, so I decided to go ahead and get it. It's especially hard for me to find my size, so let me just go ahead and unpackage this. Well, they did package it very securely. Okay, so in this white poly bag is a white box, which is interesting coming from Hermès. And then I'm just gonna open this now. This is my first time buying something online from Hermès, so true reaction right here. Okay, so just opened it. Okay, I just had my kids interrupt me in the middle of this unboxing, so apologies if it's a little choppy, but this is what it looks like inside. It's cute, and you can see from the box, that's a piece of jewelry, costume jewelry, I should say. So I take the box out, got, I believe this is the invoice, got the return policy information on the back, and yep, got the receipt here. So we'll talk about the price in just a moment, but here we go. I've been looking for this in the store, and I've never actually seen it in any color in store, so okay, comes in a dust bag, and it is the Uni Bangle in their signature orange color with the rose gold. Now, moment of truth is to see if it fits me. I'll do some close-up shots so that you could take a look at what it looks like close. Okay, it does fit. I have rather thin wrists, and I was looking for the size 62. There are 3 sizes that you can choose from, and I just knew that with my small wrist that I would need the smallest size, and 62 is hardly ever available on the site. And like I said, when I go in store, I've never actually seen this in person. I was fortunate enough to catch some of the videos that other YouTubers have done, so those have been really helpful. But I love it. I didn't want anything too thick. I wanted a bangle that wouldn't get in my way. I do a lot of typing, other things, cooking, you know, with my hands, so I didn't want anything that would just keep, you know, that would bother me essentially. But yeah, let me go ahead and I'll insert some close-up shots. Okay, I wanted to show you some close-up shots here. You can see very subtly it says Hermès Paris, and it's quite an understated bangle, which is what I was looking for. Really just wanted that pop of color. Didn't want anything loud screaming in your face like, this is Hermès. Okay, so I just moved this around a little bit just to show you that when you get it new, there is a, I guess some sort of UPC or SKU code sticker, which of course I will be taking off. I just wanted to show you that. And again, the rose gold is pretty subtle. Can't really tell a big difference between this and the yellow gold. So if you are trying to decide between the two. I think either option would be really great. Okay, just wanted to show you the bangle on. You're really not going to be able to see the lettering, of course, as you're wearing it. And again, the whole point is just for this to be subtle and a nice pop of color. So I really do like the width, which is quite thin, but I think it's perfect for me. As you can see, the bangle's not going to fall off, although it is quite easy to put on and take off, just given that I do have small wrists. But it looks like it will work out, so I will be keeping this. And right now, I'm very happy with my purchase. I'll see how it goes. It seems like the care for the enamel and the rose gold plating is pretty straightforward. I'm not going to be wearing this in the shower or working out, or, you know. So, yeah, I think it'll be pretty easy to take care of. Let me know if you do have this bracelet and how it's been working out for you. Would love to know if you want to leave some notes in the comments below. And the price that I paid for it, $315. I did get it off the US site. Let me know what you think of it. I really like the pop of color. I was considering a neutral color, but you know, when I saw the orange, I just thought, wow, that's Hermès' signature color, and I just had to go for it. So I may or may not add more to my collection, but we'll see how this works out. But that is it for today. Please let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Thank you.